I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth headphones. First, let's ensure your Sony VAIO laptop's Bluetooth is active. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. From there, select Devices and then Bluetooth and other devices. You'll see a toggle switch for Bluetooth. Make sure it's set to On. This step is crucial for your laptop to discover any nearby wireless devices. Next, prepare your Bluetooth headphones for connection. Power them on, then locate the dedicated pairing button, often marked with a Bluetooth symbol. Press and hold this button for about 5 to 7 seconds. You should observe a rapidly blinking LED light, typically blue or white, which confirms your headphones are now discoverable and ready to pair with your laptop. Now let's connect them. Back on your laptop's Bluetooth and other devices screen, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. A new window will appear. Select Bluetooth as the device type. Your laptop will begin searching for nearby devices. Once your headphone's name appears in the list, click on it. A confirmation message should appear, indicating a successful connection. Finally, let's verify everything is working correctly. After connecting, check your laptop's sound settings. Click the speaker icon in the taskbar and ensure your Bluetooth headphones are selected as the primary audio output device. Play a short video or music clip to confirm sound is coming through your headphones. If not, try disconnecting and reconnecting, or restarting both devices for a fresh attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.